This segment is sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union. Well, it's more important than ever to develop and maintain good financial habits as we start to spend for the holidays. Here to tell us more about budgeting and the tools that can help is Pamela Cotton with Austin Telco Federal Credit Union. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Stephanie.
Well, I cannot believe the holidays are upon us, and I'm looking forward to this advice. So can you start us off with some quick tips to help us stay financially fit during the holiday season?
Yeah, so there's a great way to do that. You create a household budget. So you want to determine your income versus your expenses. Create a spreadsheet or a list of what your income is versus what your expenses are. If you don't have enough after that, then you can cut back on non-essentials to have more money to spend for the holidays. And when I say non-essentials, I mean, that $5 to $7 cup of coffee that you don't necessarily have to have every morning, but you can have your cup of coffee at home instead of eating out. Cook at home, and that'll definitely free up more money to you to have to spend for the holidays. And also with Austin Telco, we have a free online banking tool that's called Money Manager, and that allows you to create a budget. It aggregates your spending and helps you take control of your finances and makes it really easy.
Okay, some really good tips there. I think very useful information. When we talk about holiday spending, though, we're thinking, hey, maybe a credit card would be something that I could use as a backup. What's your advice when it comes to credit cards?
So you want to be careful using credit cards. If you're going to use your credit card, it's a great resource if you're going to pay it off the following month when you get that bill. Now let's say you can't quite pay off everything. Not all credit cards are created equal. At Austin Telco, we have a very low interest rate credit card. So you want to make sure you have a low interest rate. Ours has no fee, and you also get a 25-day grace period, meaning you pay it off within 25 days, you don't even have to pay interest on it.
Excellent. Okay, I like what I'm hearing here. And I bet because you've come with a ton of great advice, you have some advice for us on how we can actually plan for holiday spending.
Definitely. You want to give yourself a fixed amount to spend for the holidays, and again, stick to that amount. And you can start by saving earlier in the year. At Austin Telco, we have great savings plans, share certificates, money market accounts, great ways for you to save money throughout the year. And then you have to think about how you want to replenish your savings account after the holidays as well.
So much great advice to think about. I really appreciate it, Pam. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
To learn more about the Austin Telco Money Manager or any of their online tools to help you budget for the holidays and all year long, follow them on social media or go to atfcu.org. This segment is sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union.